Good morning, students. The topic which we will do today in the chapter agriculture, that is farm system. Agriculture or farming can be looked at as a system. The agriculture or farming, it is a system. The important inputs are seeds, fertilizer, machineries and labor. The important inputs which are used for agriculture, these are machineries, seeds, fertilizers and labor, those who are working on field. Some of the operation involved are plowing, sowing, irrigations, weeding and harvesting. And these are the operations which involved in agriculture, that is plowing, sowing the seeds, irrigation, weeding. Weeding means removal of unwanted plants. And then harvesting. Harvesting means when you cut the crops after it gets ripened. And the outputs from the system includes crop, wool, dairy and poultry products. And the outputs after agriculture, when we are doing agriculture, the outputs, the final product which we get, these are crops, wool, dairy and poultry products. Now, next is types of farming. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor and level of technology. Farming can be classified into two main types. These are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Now we are going to discuss types of farming. In the world, farming is depending upon the geographical condition. That means what kind of relief feature or physical feature is present, what kind of soil is present in a particular area, and what is the demand of produce. Whatsoever is grown in the field, demand of that crop is there or not, labor is available in that particular area or not, and level of technology. And now farming can be classified in two types, in two main categories. These are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Now, if we talk about subsistence farming, this type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of farmer's family. In simple word, if I give you an example, subsistence farming is done by the farmer just to fulfill the needs of farmer's family, needs of his family. And traditionally, it is low level of technology and household labor are used to produce on small output. So subsistence farming is done on very small piece of land. Technology is not used, or a very low level technology is used. And household labor means the people, those who are living in the house, means family people, they are involved in producing any kind of crop. And subsistence farming can be further classified into intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. So about intensive and primitive subsistence farming we'll read in next lecture.